In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated brand photos in minutes using Canva Magic. If you've ever wanted to elevate your brand visuals effortlessly, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. Now, let's dive into the process step by step so you can get started right away. First, you want to open Canva on your computer. It's important to make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all the features we're going to use today. Once you're on the Canva homepage, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu panel. Look for the option that says Apps and click on it. This will open a suite of various third-party extensions and AI tools that Canva offers. Next, in the search bar provided at the top, type in Magic Media. This tool is essential for creating AI-generated visuals. It combines the power of artificial intelligence with Canva's intuitive design capabilities. After you type in Magic Media, you should see it pop up in the results list. Go ahead and click on Magic Media to initiate the process. Now, here comes the fun part. You need to bring your creative ideas to the table. Think about the type of images that reflect your brand and its message. What kind of visuals do you want to create? For instance, imagine you want to design a nature-themed logo. Type your image description in the provided text field. For our example, we might type in nature logo. Keep your description clear and concise, as this helps the AI generate images that are as accurate as possible. Once you've entered your description, you're going to see a button labeled Generate Images. When you click this, the AI gets to work, producing a variety of images based on your input. This is where AI shines, offering creative outputs quickly and efficiently. It may take a moment for the images to render, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Good things take a little time. After the images are generated, it's time to choose the one that best matches your brand vision. You can simply click on the image to preview it in a larger format. Once happy with your choice, all you've got to do is drag and drop it onto your Canva page. This feature makes it incredibly easy to integrate AI-generated photos into your design projects effortlessly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've leveraged the power of AI to create stunning brand images that can enhance your visual content. Whether you're designing for social media, websites, or promotional material, this quick and simple method using Canva Magic makes your workflow more efficient and your end results look professional. Give it a try and watch how seamlessly your creativity can come to life.